differentiate y is equal to secx and y is equal to cosecx for x measured in radians. So we've got y is equal to secx, x measured in radians. Now we should know that secx is 1 over cos x, so we'll rewrite that as 1 over cos x, and we'll rewrite it as cos x to minus 1. Now I'm not going to write cos to the minus 1 of x, because that actually has a different meaning. This actually means take the reciprocal of cos x, which is 1 over cos x. Right, if we now differentiate using the chain rule, so what we'll do, we'll take that minus 1, we'll bring it down in front of the bracket, and write down the bracket, which is cos x. And we will now reduce the power by 1, which makes it minus 2, and then we differentiate the bracket. If we differentiate cos x, we get minus sin x. So a minus times a minus will make the whole thing positive, and we've got sin x over cos squared x, because minus 2 means write it as cos squared x. Now I could split that up into 1 over cos x times sin x over cos x. Just check that. 1 times sin x gives me sin x, cos times cos gives me cos squared x. Then 1 over cos x is sec x, we've already know that up there, and sin x over cos x is tan x. Therefore, if y is equal to sec x, dy by dx is equal to sec x tan x. Now we can do cosec x a similar way. Cosec x is 1 over sin x, so we'll write that as 1 over sin x, and again we'll write it as sin x to the minus 1. Same reason we won't put the minus 1 here, because that actually means something different. And then differentiate using the chain rule. So we're going to take that minus 1 and bring it down in front of the bracket, and then we'll write down the bracket, and we will reduce the power by 1 to make it minus 2. Then we differentiate sine, we get cos. So this one will be negative because there's only one negative sign. So we're going to get minus cos x over sine squared x. And we can split that up into minus 1 over sine x times cos x over sine x. 1 over sine x is cosec x. So we've got that minus sign there, minus cosec x. And cos over sine is going to be cot x. So we've got minus cosec x, cot x is the answer. So if y is equal to cosec x, dy by dx is minus cosec x, cot x. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to differentiate sec x and cot x. These results can be remembered, and therefore you can just go straight from here to here. Okay, I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.